Hey, good morning. I'm going to show you how I make a quick and easy shakshuka. If you're not familiar with that, it's a Moroccan egg dish. And basically, there's several different varieties, but it's usually a tomato sauce, sometimes with meat, sometimes without. And you poach eggs in it. So I have some leftover pasta sauce that I'm going to use as a base instead of cooking down tomatoes. Just throw it in your skillet and put in some diced onion and peppers. And I have this Moroccan medley, and that's what really gives it the flavors. Those warm spices. I don't know if you're familiar with North African spice blends, but it's, I guess, similar to Indian, like garam masala, that type of flavor. So we'll just throw a little bit of that in there with some fresh cracked black pepper. Give that a stir. And make a couple little small wells in that for your eggs. You just crack your eggs right in there. I'm going to use 3 because I'm kind of hungry. But you could easily do it with 2. Then I like goat cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese. Leave it out. Fetta's great. Fetta's probably more traditional. But I'm just going to sprinkle some goat cheese crumbles on here. And a little fresh cilantro. It's a little dice, or not really a dice, but a little chiffonade. Sprinkle that over top also. Put the lid on, cook this on medium heat, and it takes roughly 10 minutes. And I'll come back and give you a look at it at the end. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, and the whites are set, and the yolk's still running. That's the way I like it. If you don't like a runny yolk, let it go another 2 or 3 minutes, and that'll firm up for you too. So we're gonna let you have a look at this, but remember, hit that subscribe button. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll explain that houseboy thing. So it's kind of a funny story. So anyway, let you have a look at it here. This is great with some crusty bread, a baguette, or even just some toasted white bread. But I'm trying to lay off the carbs, so I'm going to have it with a spoon. And just eat it right out of the pan here. But there it is. Shakshuka. Good for me, and it's good for you. Have a good day.